Object-oriented languages explained. In simple words, what does object-oriented language mean? An object-oriented programming language is a language where programs are built using objects, instead of only step-by-step instructions. An object represents a real-world thing and contains both data and actions. In simple words, object-oriented language equals programming using objects. It means, an object-oriented language is based on objects, uses classes to create objects, combines data and functions, models real-world things, organizes code better. So, object-oriented language equals objects plus data plus behavior. Example idea: car object, data, color, speed, model, actions, start, stop, move. Here, car equals object, color, speed equals data, start, stop equals methods. This is object-oriented thinking. Why it matters. Without object-oriented languages, cross-mark code becomes large and messy. Cross-mark hard to maintain programs. Cross-mark difficult to reuse code. Cross-mark real-world problems are hard to model. Cross-mark team development is difficult. With object-oriented languages, checkmark code is organized. Checkmark easy to reuse. Checkmark easy to maintain. Checkmark easy to understand. Checkmark supports teamwork. Real-life examples of object-oriented languages. Common object-oriented languages: Java, C++, Python, C#, Ruby. They are used to build mobile apps, web applications, games, desktop software, enterprise systems. How object-oriented languages work. Step by step. You create a class. Down pointing arrow. Create objects from the class. Down pointing arrow. Objects store data. Down pointing arrow. Objects perform actions. Down pointing arrow. Program runs using objects. Flow. Design means create means use means execute. Features of object-oriented languages. Object-oriented languages support classes and objects, encapsulation, data hiding, inheritance, reuse, polymorphism, many forms, abstraction, hide details, modular code, reusability. They focus on data plus behavior together. Types of tasks done using object-oriented languages. Object-oriented languages are used for software applications, web development, mobile apps, game development, large systems, business software. Comparison with procedural languages. Procedural language. Focus on steps. Uses functions. Logic-based. Object-oriented language. Focus on objects. Uses classes. Data-based. So, procedural equals steps. OOP equals objects. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often don't understand classes. Mix procedural and OOP styles. Create too many objects. Ignore design. Don't reuse code. These happen because OOP concepts take time to learn. Good practices in object-oriented programming. Checkmark use meaningful class names. Checkmark keep classes small. Checkmark reuse code using inheritance. Checkmark use encapsulation. Checkmark follow real-world logic. Checkmark avoid duplicate code. Real-life analogy. Object-oriented language is like a school system. School. Class equals student. Data equals name, age. Actions equals study. Attend class. Each student object has its own data, can perform actions. So, class equals blueprint. Object equals real thing. Important point. An object-oriented language organizes code, represents real-world things, improves maintainability, makes large programs easier, is widely used. Without object-oriented languages, cross-mark software is hard to manage. Cross-mark code becomes complex. Cross-mark hard to update programs. Simple definition. Object-oriented language equals a programming language that uses objects and classes to solve problems. Summary. Object-oriented languages. Checkmark use objects. Checkmark organize code. Checkmark support reuse. Checkmark are scalable. Checkmark are powerful. Without object-oriented languages, crossmark programs become messy. Crossmark hard to maintain. Crossmark hard to expand. With object-oriented languages, checkmark programs are structured. Checkmark code is reusable. Checkmark large software is easier to build. Checkmark real-world problems are easy to model.